the Adobe Photoshop workspace opens, showcasing its interface. A dynamic animation of the Photoshop logo introduces the software. Tool icons animate, demonstrating the software's diverse capabilities. The interface highlights various panels, including layers, channels, and paths. The main workspace displays an image being edited with various filters and adjustments. The software's capabilities are emphasized through a showcase of its key features. The Move tool, V, is used to reposition layers within the interface. Selecting the Move tool enables direct manipulation of layer positions. Dragging a layer with the Move tool changes its coordinates on the canvas. The Move tool provides a straightforward method for object repositioning. Repositioning objects with the Move tool is a fundamental interface operation. The Marquee tool is used to create selections on a digital canvas. The tool allows for both rectangular and elliptical selections. These selections outline different areas of an image for editing. The Marquee tool is typically activated by pressing the M key. The Lasso tool enables freehand selection of irregular shapes within an interface. The Lasso tool, L, offers flexibility in selecting complex areas. The Lasso tool is activated by pressing the L key. Freehand selections are drawn by clicking and dragging the cursor around the desired area. The Lasso tool is suitable for selecting areas with intricate details. The Quick Selection tool automatically selects areas based on color similarities. Edge detection allows the Quick Selection tool to accurately define object boundaries. This tool simplifies the process of isolating objects within an image. The Quick Selection tool enhances workflow efficiency by reducing manual selection time. With the Quick Selection tool, users can rapidly select complex shapes and textures. The Magic Wand tool selects areas of similar color with a single click. This tool is useful for quickly isolating objects from backgrounds. The tolerance setting determines the range of color similarity. Lower tolerance values select only very similar colors. Higher tolerance values select a wider range of colors. The Magic Wand tool streamlines the selection process in image editing. The Crop tool is used to trim the canvas. Adjusting the crop area reframes the image composition. The Crop tool allows focusing on key elements within an image. Pressing Enter or clicking the check mark applies the crop, finalizing the new image dimensions. The Eyedropper tool, 1, allows users to select a specific color directly from an image. Sampling a color with the Eyedropper tool captures the precise shade at the cursor's location. The sampled color can then be reused for consistent color palettes throughout the design. This ensures color consistency across various elements within the image or project. The Eyedropper tool simplifies the process of replicating exact color matches. By sampling colors directly, the tool eliminates guesswork and promotes accuracy in color selection. The Zoom tool, Z, is used to magnify fine details for precise editing. Magnification allows for detailed inspection and adjustments of small elements. After detailed editing, the Zoom tool can zoom out to show the overall composition. Viewing the entire composition provides context and ensures design coherence. The Zoom tool, Z, facilitates both detailed editing and holistic design review. The Brush tool applies strokes to the canvas. This tool is versatile for retouching images. The Brush tool can be used for shading artwork. Custom artwork can be created using the Brush tool. The Eraser tool removes pixels from a selected layer. The Eraser tool functions similarly to a physical eraser. The Eraser tool can be used to correct mistakes within the interface. The Eraser tool can also be used to create special effects. The Eraser tool is typically activated by pressing the E key. The Spot Healing Brush tool removes blemishes and unwanted spots from images. This tool seamlessly blends the surrounding pixels to conceal imperfections. The Spot Healing Brush is ideal for photo retouching and enhancing image quality. The Spot Healing Brush, J, can be quickly accessed using the keyboard shortcut J. The Type tool allows users to add text to the canvas. The Type tool is used for creating posters, banners, and other designs with textual elements. Users can customize font styles, sizes, and colors using the Type tool. The Type tool enables precise text placement and alignment within the design. The Rectangle tool is used to create rectangular shapes within design software. Activating the Rectangle tool allows users to draw rectangles of varying sizes and proportions. Rectangular shapes can be easily added as graphic elements to enhance design layouts. The Rectangle tool provides a fundamental method for creating precise geometric forms. The Circle tool enables the creation of perfect circles and ellipses. This tool enhances design capabilities for a variety of projects. The Circle tool, U, is easily accessible via a keyboard shortcut. Precise geometric shapes are easily created using the Circle tool. The Polygon tool facilitates the creation of diverse polygonal shapes. This tool enhances graphic designs by adding complexity and detail. The Polygon tool, U, is easily accessible within the design interface. Users can adjust parameters such as the number of sides to customize polygonal shapes. Polygonal shapes can be seamlessly integrated into complex graphic compositions. The Layers panel organizes image, shape, and text elements into individual layers. Each layer in the panel can be edited independently, enabling non-destructive editing workflows. Elements reside on their own layer for targeted adjustments without affecting other parts of the composition. The Layers panel is a fundamental tool for managing and manipulating elements in digital compositions. Layer-based editing provides flexibility and control over complex digital designs. Layer-based editing allows modification of individual elements without affecting others. This editing method provides flexibility and control over each element in a composition. Layer isolation ensures that alterations are confined to the selected layer. The layer editing process enhances precision in digital content creation. Layer-based systems offer a non-destructive editing workflow, preserving original element states. The Hand tool is used to pan around the canvas when zoomed in. Panning simulates the movement of paper on a desk, facilitating easy navigation. The Hand tool allows users to quickly access different areas of a large, detailed image. This tool enhances workflow efficiency by providing intuitive canvas navigation. The Move tool is essential for repositioning elements within the design canvas. The Selection tool allows users to isolate and manipulate specific areas or objects. The Crop tool defines the visible boundaries of an image or design. The Brush tool enables freehand drawing and painting with customizable parameters. The Text and Shapes tools allow for the addition of textual content and geometric forms to the design. The Move tool enables users to reposition layers within the Photoshop canvas. Users can select individual objects or multiple objects for simultaneous repositioning. The Move tool provides basic control over the placement of elements in a design. Repositioning can be achieved through click and drag actions directly on the canvas. The Move tool is activated via the toolbar icon or by pressing the V key. Selection tools allow users to isolate specific areas within an image. Targeted edits and manipulations are enabled by isolating image areas. Common selection tools include the Marquee, M, Lasso, L, and Wand, W. The Marquee tool, M, creates selections based on geometric shapes. The Lasso, L, and Wand, W tools offer freeform and color-based selection capabilities, respectively. The Crop tool adjusts the visible area of an image. Cropping improves image composition by removing unwanted elements. The Crop tool enhances focus on the subject of an image. Adjusting the aspect ratio is a key function of the Crop tool. Cropping allows for precise control over the final image framing. The Brush tool emulates traditional painting techniques within a digital interface. This tool provides a versatile means of adding color to digital artwork. The Brush tool allows for the incorporation of texture into digital paintings. Fine details can be added to digital artwork using the Brush tool. The Brush tool offers adjustable parameters such as size and opacity. The Brush tool is accessible via the B keyboard shortcut. The Type tool enables the insertion of editable text elements within the design interface. The Type tool allows for formatting text, including font selection, size adjustment, and style modification. Shape tools provide predefined geometric forms, such as rectangles, circles, and polygons, for creating design elements. Shape tools facilitate the creation of basic geometric forms that can be customized with fills, strokes, and effects.